This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Town Realty property video is presented by Jennifer Gartrell. Spacious 2-bedroom 2.1-bathroom no-fee townhome in the heart of Old Town Portsmouth. Great opportunity for an owner-occupant or amazing rental history. Ask for details. Remodeled kitchen to include new maple cabinets, new appliances, new tile countertops, new flooring, refinished hardwood, new bathroom vanities, toilets, tile floors and H2O heater, all brand new summer of 2011. Kitchen is open to spacious living room with wood-burning fireplace. Large sliding glass door allows tons of natural light and leads to deck. Both bedrooms have their own bathrooms, and upstairs laundry. Roof approx 2 years old. Newer windows and doors. 2 dedicated private parking spaces behind the unit plus street parking. Near Portsmouth Naval, the waterfront, shops and restaurants.